everyone, got a 2023 BMW 430. I'm going to show you how to get into the maintenance menu to reset the services like the oil change, brake path inspection. Car's off right now, foot off the brake, go to engine start stop, press it 3 times quick. 1, 2, 3, the cluster will power up. And right where I have the key fob right there, okay, that's what we're looking at. It should say diagnostic mode. Now we're gonna go over here to this BC button here, hold it down for 10 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After 10 seconds, the maintenance menu should pop right up, okay? All right. So what we have here is the maintenance menu, okay? Now it says engine oil reset possible, and that's what we want to reset, okay? Probably what you want to reset. If you hit BC, you'll go through these services. Now, whatever service we want to reset, press and hold the BC button. It's going to be at least 5 seconds, and it'll ask you if you want to reset. Okay. Just skip to the, okay, we'll go back to engine oil. It might not let me reset. Okay, it says reset impossible because it's at its max limit right now. Let's go to something else. I'm sorry. All right, so we'll go to brake fluid. All right, just pretend it's the oil change. If you're trying to do oil change, press and hold BC down for at least 5 seconds. All right, now as you want to reset, you're gonna let go of BC, press and hold it down again. So it's resetting in progress right now. I'm still holding BC down. Okay, then you can let go. Sorry about the oil change one, okay? Right there it says impossible. It's just at its max limit at 9,000 miles, okay? So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. See you again in another video.